Hello, my fellow extraordinary Americans. My name is Cosmos, and this is Extraordinary America. Today is the week of Thanksgiving, and therefore I wanted to shoot a quick video over the topic of being thankful and having gratitude for whatever we have in life. When we go through difficult times, right, such as like the year that we're going through now and the current times that we are living in, right, a lot of things could potentially be going wrong in our lives. It seems like we are not getting what we want. Many things that we have desire for, we're not actually attaining them. So many unfulfilled desires, so many things that we do not have. Since we're going through a pandemic, so many of us are getting sick now. Many of us are losing our jobs, and it's just like total chaos all over the world, including this country, right? And also in our individual lives at times. Many of us are not even talking to our family members due to different affiliations and different beliefs and all that. But for this Thanksgiving, I want to let you know that we should be thankful and we should be grateful for the things that we do have in our life. In times of darkness and in times of difficult times altogether, what keeps the light going is a sense of gratitude for things that we already do have. If we always think about things that we don't have and we always focus on that, we're always going to be in a negative set of vibration. If we always think about what's going wrong in our lives, right, we're always going to feel negative. But if we can shift that focus and focus on the things that are actually positive in our life, things that we do actually have. Maybe we have like a roof over our head. Maybe we are able to eat today. Maybe we have that one friend who is empathetic and compassionate, or a bunch of different things. Whatever good things that you do have in your life, I would like yourself and myself as well to be grateful for that, because it is through that gratitude and that thankfulness that we actually start getting that positive energy within us that keeps us in the fight for the long run, right? Because when things go tough, when things are tough, right, sometimes we just want to throw in the towel and give up hope. But where are we going to get that positive energy from, that will to keep going on? And a part of that comes from our ability to feel gratitude and to be thankful for what we already have, no matter how small it is and no matter how difficult the times are. It's that ray of hope in dark times that actually help us to keep going. And so today I just wanted to let you all know, since it is the week of Thanksgiving, that we should be thankful for those that we do have in our life, including our family members, our friends. Like, if we have good health at the moment, we should be thankful for that. If we are keeping our jobs, we should be thankful for that. Whatever it is that is that is good in our life, or something that we have that people in other countries would not have, we should be thankful for that. Because there's always something that we have that there's somebody else in this world that do not have, and they would want nothing more than to have that, right? And we always tend to focus on what we don't have. And this is a week of contemplation and being grateful and being thankful for what we do have. And that's where it all begins, right? So anyways, I just wanted to shoot this quick video to just talk about thankfulness and gratitude. And I also want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. If you like what we're talking about in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy Thanksgiving to all of you. Take care. All right, bye.